I'm Hugh Thomas, the Managing Director of Puffin Produce. Puffin was formed in the 1970s by a group of growers getting together to market their crop and is now employing about 180 people with a turnover of around 30 million.
I think from a young person's perspective, particularly in Pembrokeshire, where it sometimes is quite difficult to get jobs, we do provide sort of sustainable full-time employment. As the pandemic has demonstrated, there are a lot of industries that are very susceptible to sort of changes in market, but obviously being in the food industry, people always need food, so we are a very secure industry to work in, and a good company. We look after our staff and we try and give them a really enjoyable work experience as well.
The business is a very fast-moving business. It's very technologically advanced. You will see robots and electronics and these sort of things controlling the factory. We've got to react to consumer demand. We work very closely with the supermarkets to see how we can improve their margins and our margins. There's a daily piece of work there on how we keep driving efficiency in sales. So it's a very live business and very exciting, and it's something different every day.
For anyone considering doing an apprenticeship, I'd say to go for it because you get the best of both worlds. You're learning on the job, you're in college and you're earning the wage as well, so being hands-on is great. I think 4 or 5 years' time, I'm hoping to study higher education, whether that be a HNC and then a degree. So within 5 years, I'd hope to have finished a degree and maybe be lucky to go into supervisory or management.
An engineer in Puffin Produce isn't typically specialised in one role. We've got to be able to do it all, whether that be mechanical, electrical, automation, hydraulic or pneumatic. So that's where you get a team of people with different skill sets that come together and we all help each other out and teach each other.
Mae niferoedd o wahanol bethau i mwynhau am swydd. Mae'r dydd yn amrywio, so mae wastad yn hwylus ac yn sport. Mae'n dda iawn o ran, os mae pasiwn dych chi am bwyd neu diod, mae'n bwysig rili cyflewni hwnna ac i dod mewn i'r diwylliant.
As the factory becomes more advanced, we're having less lower paid jobs within the business and far more higher paid jobs. So we now need computer programmers and data analysts and these sort of things. So I think we always see ourselves as a very good quality employer in a regional area like Pembrokeshire. I think the people who work for us are very happy, with the salary progression opportunities they've got and the salaries that they are paid, compared to the national average.